Tired of scrolling through endless Jira issues just to get a project overview? I get it. You open a project and all you see is this massive wall of tickets. Stories, bugs, tasks, it all blends together. You just want to know where things stand. The big picture, the summary. Well, you can activate a dedicated summary view in Jira in about 30 seconds flat, and I am going to walk you through it right now. All right, so here is the plan. I am going to show you exactly where to click to add the summary view straight to your project navigation bar. No fluff, no hunting through menus, just follow these simple steps. Start by logging into your Jira account. Go ahead and open it up and make sure you are on the software project you want to work with. You need to be inside the actual project space for this to work. If you're just on the dashboard or the global navigation, you won't see the options we need. Now, on the left side panel, you will see a list of all your recent projects. Go ahead and click on the project you want to clean up, the one where you are drowning in backlog clutter. Open that up. This will put you right into the main board or backlog for that project, which is exactly where we need to be. Once you are inside, look up at the very top of the page, just below the main header. You should see a row of tabs. These are your project views, things like board, backlog, roadmap, code. And right next to that row, on the far right end, you will see a tiny little plus icon. It is small, but it is powerful. Click that small plus icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with a list of different view types you can add. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down through that list until you find the option that says Summary. Click on Summary to select it. Now, here is the really important part. After you click Summary, Jira will show you a preview of that new view. You will see a clean, high-level snapshot of your project, but if you just close it out, you might lose it. So look at the top of that preview window. You will see a button that says Add to Navigation. Click that. And that is it. The summary view is now pinned to your top navigation bar. You can click on it anytime you want to instantly see the status of your project without digging through 1,000 individual issues. I have tested this across a few different Jira projects, and it consistently gives you that clean, high-level clarity we all need. No more overwhelm, just a clear, instant snapshot. From overwhelmed to overview in about 30 seconds. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you.